Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to transfer your eFootball game to another device. To do this, first open your eFootball game in your old device and then go to Extras option. And now tap on Support and then choose Link Data. After that, tap on Link Konami ID. And now tap on Process and then tap on red box. And now log in your Konami ID. After logging your Konami ID, go to your new device. Install your eFootball game on your new device. After that, tap on these three lines and then tap on Data Transfer. And now tap on Transfer Data Link to Konami ID account. And now tap on the red box. And now log in your Konami ID. After logging your Konami ID, your account data will be restored and you can continue your game. Thank you.